Team Fullest, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Cake Up My Canal. So today I want to come and show you guys a dress that I picked up, because I picked this dress up and it has just been sitting down here and I really want to get it into the closet. I have these habits of putting things in my wish list that I like, and I put it in my wish list that I like it, but then eventually sometimes I don't get to like it anymore and I throw it off my wish list. And sometimes there are certain dresses and I really just like it more and more and more, and I'll purchase it. Not that I have anywhere to go at this particular time that I need this dress. I don't really need it. I just want to have it in my closet for in case maybe I want to go out, then I have this dress to wear, because I've already pictured the way I want to wear this dress, the way I want to style it when I'm going outside. I have a similar dress, not the same material, from a different brand if I'm not mistaken, but the one I have is long sleeve, and I saw the short sleeve in white. I also saw the black one, which I'm a little bit tempted to also get the black one, but I'm like, I have so much black in my wardrobe, and I just want to change a little bit. Some couple of days ago, I really kind of like go through my wardrobe and just take a lot of things out that I do not need, because I just have a bunch of things that I never really wear and they're just in there. If not because of church and me going out for date nights, a lot of stuff that I purchased that I will never wear, that I have so many things in here that are still labeled on it. And the reason why I leave the label is because eventually I never really get to wear it anymore. I can give it to someone and the person wouldn't feel like, oh, she's giving me old clothes. The person will know that it's a new clothes. I never wear it. I just purchase because I like it, and maybe I don't like it anymore and I want to give it away. So it feels good when the label is on it and I can give it away. That's what I did a couple of days ago. I really cleared a lot of things in here, and some of the things I give it away, and some of the things I just bring it to the container where you put old clothes. The ones with label on it, I give it to someone, and the ones without no label on it, I just put it in the container. So this is the dress. It's just one dress, but I love this dress so much, and I just want to come here. I hope my hand, I have this white, let me just wipe my hand here, because I was playing with some makeup and everything, because this dress is white and I do not want to mess it up. I'm not ready to use it yet. I just want to have it, and the design is what really captivates me. Before I purchased the long sleeve, the short sleeve is actually what I wanted to, but they didn't have it at that particular time. I actually want both the white and the long sleeve, the long sleeve and the short sleeve, but they didn't have the short sleeve in store. So I leave an email. If they have it, they should let me know. And finally, I think almost 2 weeks ago, I got an email for, oh, we have one more in stock, medium. Are you still interested? And I purchased it immediately. I purchased it. So this is the dress. It's very, very simple, but it's the back of the dress for me. For me, it's the back of the dress. So this is what the dress looks like. It has this really nice bow at the back, and this is in medium. This dress retails for 110 euros. That's the price. You guys can see the price is in there. This is from Zalando, 110 euros. I'm not going to remove the price tag. I'm going to leave it in. The day I'm going to wear it, I will remove it. If eventually maybe I never get to wear it, I could actually put a smile on someone's face and the person doesn't have to feel like, oh, she wear it. Most of the stuff that I buy, I purchase this and I show you guys and I put it back in my closet, and eventually I get to wear it, I remove the tag. Same goes for this dress. I wear this dress today at church and I got so much compliments, and I got asked, where did you purchase this? I purchased this dress long time ago. This is not a new collection, just that I never actually wear it. Today eventually I thought, I have this long black dress, I just want to wear something free, and I thought, let me put this dress on, and this is it. I removed the label today and I just wear it. That's it. So let me test this for you guys. Let me put it on, because I am in love. Give it up for the back of the dress. I put my hair in a bun so you guys can actually see the back of the dress. The back of this dress is actually what attracts me to this dress. I love it. I'm kind of tempted to pick up the black one. The black one is the same bow, but it's different. It's different. I'm kind of tempted because I love black. I'm somebody who love black outfits, so I will be very tempted to pick up the black one. This is beautiful. This is it. I changed the shoe because the green wasn't nah. It's not doing justice. I'll never wear. I'll prefer to wear a black shoe or a white, like all white. I would just look so good all white. I'm just looking so good in the white one. I'm just trying to imagine in my head how I will look with the black one. Like, how I'll look with the black one. Like, I'm tempted. I'm really tempted. And this one, I got the right size this time. The last one I picked, the white one, I didn't got the right size because up to now, they don't have it. I got size 36 instead of 38, which of course, it fits perfectly. But this one is good. This one, I can actually add a little bit of weight and I'll still have space. It does have a zip here, but it's very easy to just wear it like this without opening the zip. I like it. I like it. I love it. I love it. I can actually put this one in the closet now and with some peace of mind, you know. I can put this one in the closet. I love it. Let me guys show you a dress. I picked this clothes. This is not a dress, but let me show you guys. Let me put this mic, okay? This is how crazy I am when I tell you guys I pick stuff. This is the white one. This one doesn't have a bow, but you can actually make the bow yourself. Okay. And this is the white one. I picked this one is from River Highland. I picked this one like almost a year ago. And I've never wear it. I have the label on it. I picked this up for 85 euros. I never wear it. It looks so beautiful on me. I just tested on. I saw it on Zalando and I purchased and I tested on and I just have it in my closet and I never really wear it. It is very, very crazy. Do you guys remember this dress? Do you guys remember this one I picked from Zalando? I did a try on haul on these two outfits. This is like three years now, if I'm not mistaken, and I never get to wear. And I have multiple of these situations in my closet where I'll just pick up something that I like and I'll never get to wear them and they'll just be in my closet. And when it comes to black stuff like this, I have multiple blacks that I've picked up. I've done try on haul, but I never really get to wear them. And this is where my obsession goes. But so far so good. I love it. Let me know what you guys think of this dress. I am loving it. I might pick up the black one. Okay, when I do, I'll come back and show you guys. But so far so good. I'm in love. Team first. Hope you all like this video and I'll see you all on my next video. Peace out. Bye.